Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this very delicious garden egg soup. If it's your first time here, you're very welcome. Please do consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. And for my return subscribers, you're welcome back. So every other ingredient has been prepped. Moving on, I'll go ahead and slice the garden egg like this. Put it in my pot, cover and allow it to cook until it becomes tender. Now that it is ready, I will strain it and set it aside. To my pot, I'll go ahead and add my broth. To that, I'll add my red oil, cover and allow it to cook. While the broth and red oil is cooking, go ahead and mash your cooked garden egg. You can decide to blend yours if you want. Garden egg soup, unlike garden egg sauce, you need to mash to a smooth paste. Back to the pot. Now that the oil is properly cooked, I'll go ahead and add my locust beans. To that, I'll add my ground crayfish. Add my sliced onions. Add a seasoning cube. Add some salt. Add my blended pepper. To that, I'll add my fish and goat meat. Feel free to use any meat of your choice. I'll give it a stir. Cover and allow it to cook. So now that it's properly cooked, I'll go ahead and add my mashed garden egg. Give it a stir, cover and allow it to cook. Though a shorter version of this video has been uploaded already, but this is more clear and detailed. So I've gone ahead to add the bitter leaf. I didn't know the camera was paused, so I'll add the rest of it now. Stir properly. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Now our garden egg soup is ready. Go ahead and enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. You can use pounded yam, fufu, eba. The choice is yours. Please subscribe if you are yet to do so. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. See you in my next video.